How to make no one can invite you to private servers on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can invite you to private servers on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and here just click these 3 points in the bottom corner and go down until you find settings and privacy settings, and then click privacy, and here just go down and you will find who can invite me to private servers. Click on it and then select no one, and now as you see no one can invite you to private servers. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.